Hello everyone and welcome to the first lesson of our Python for Beginners series. I am Engineer Tharwana and in this series we'll take you on an exciting journey to learn the basic of Python step by step. But before we dive into the world of coding, let's talk about what Python is and why it is such a fantastic language to learn. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that's known for its readability and ease of use. It's widely used in various fields such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. One of the reasons Python is so popular is because of its simple and straightforward syntax, making it an ideal choice for beginners like you. Python isn't just limited to one type of task. It's like a Swiss Army knife for programming. It can create web applications, automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, build games, and even develop complex machine learning models. This flexibility makes Python a great choice whether you are just starting out or looking to tackle more advanced projects down the line. Now that you are excited about Python's potential, let's get started by installing Python on your computer. The good news is that Python is available for all major operating systems. Here's what you need to do. First, open your web browser and go to python.org. Click on the Downloads tab. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. If you are unsure, go with the latest version. Download the installer and run it. Check the box that says Add Python to Path during the installation. This makes it easier to run Python from the command line. Great job on installing Python. But to make our coding journey even smoother, we are also going to install an integrated development environment or an IDE. An IDE is a software that provides tools to write, test, and debug your code. Let's install a popular Python IDE called PyCharm Community Edition. Open your browser and go to jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. Download the Community Edition. It's free. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once installed, open PyCharm. And that's it. You all set up to start your Python programming journey. In the next lesson, we'll explore the basic of Python syntax and write our first Hello World program. Remember, learning programming is like learning a new language. It might seem challenging at first, but with practice and patience, you will become more comfortable. Don't hesitate to ask any questions and explore. Happy coding. Have a nice day.